Okay, so it's been a while since I did a video on this, but this is how the kvass turned out. I got 2 jugs. Already some of it has been drank, so yeah, but this is how it turned out. Let's open these up. I just opened them up a few minutes ago, so there. This one. There. Got my glass here. Okay. There's a small amount of alcohol in here, but that's just part of the fermentation process. Okay, that's how it turned out. It doesn't smell very nice. It kind of smells like the inside of a Sarcan. If you've ever been there, the Sarcan recycling place, that's kind of what this smells like. It doesn't taste too bad, though. It's not a really strong taste or anything, but it doesn't taste too bad. It's kind of bubbly, and, well, I guess you'd have to try it to see how it tastes, but yeah, that's how it turned out. Really bubbly, like Coca-Cola. It doesn't taste anything like Coca-Cola, though, but it has the same amount of bubbles, or carbonation. But yeah, and the longer that you leave this sit, the more that it gets carbonated. But you gotta burp the bottles every couple days or they can explode. So you just unscrew the cap and it goes psh, and then screw it back on. But okay, that's how it turned out. For some old bread and raisins, it's not too bad. Actually pretty good. Okay, I guess that's it.